California doctor Mark Chavez, one of 5 people charged in the overdose death of Friends star Matthew Perry, pleaded guilty on Wednesday to illegally distributing ketamine. Chavez entered the plea in U.S. District Court in Los Angeles, where he admitted to obtaining ketamine with a fraudulent prescription written for another patient, and acknowledged that the drug was intended for Perry. He could face up to 10 years in prison at his sentencing, which is scheduled for April. Another physician in the case, Dr Salvador Plasencia, has pleaded not guilty, as has co-defendant Jasveen Sangha. Authorities say Sangha was an illicit supplier of the drug and was known as the ketamine queen. Chavez also acknowledged providing ketamine to Plasencia and that he understood it should only be administered under medical supervision with proper safety equipment nearby. According to court documents, Plasencia administered ketamine to Perry at the actor's home and supplied vials that were injected by his live-in assistant, Kenneth Iwamasa. Plasencia's lawyer has said his client properly prescribed and administered ketamine to Perry. Perry died last October from acute effects of ketamine and other factors that caused him to lose consciousness and drown in his hot tub, according to a December 2023 autopsy report. Chavez has relinquished his medical license and remains free on bond until his sentencing. He pleaded guilty under an agreement with prosecutors, who offered him lesser charges for his assistance in their case against Plasencia and Sangha.
You gotta look at the viewfinder.
Following Mr. Perry's death in October of last year, law enforcement, my office, and our partners represented on this stage began an in-depth, wide-ranging investigation. That investigation has revealed a broad, underground criminal network responsible for distributing large quantities of ketamine to Mr. Perry and others. This network included a live-in assistant, various go-betweens, 2 medical doctors, and a major source of drug supply known as, quote, the ketamine queen. We charged 5 defendants in this matter. These defendants took advantage of Mr. Perry's addiction issues to enrich themselves. They knew what they were doing was wrong. They knew what they were doing was risking great danger to Mr. Perry, but they did it anyways.